Welcome back, guys. Remember my guy Eric? He had the Infinity, which he had the Q50
Red Sport.
The Red Sport. Might have beat me in there, I'm not too sure, but he got an S550 now. He actually had it for like, but he had this for like a year or so. And now he's updating all the suspension parts. Then he has his what's this again, the front brace?
Yeah, front brace.
For the front. Like he's doing the whole underbody right now because he's about to supercharge his bitch soon. And meanwhile, while he's doing that, I might pass him the GoPro and I'll be washing my car, which I haven't washed in over a year, which is a shame. Albeit that my name is microfiber only. It's been a long, long, long year. I don't have everything I need. If I had some iron remover, that'll be ideal to get all this out, but old school clay bar is gonna be. All right, so I applied a degreaser to the wheels, to the rims, to get all that excess dirt out. And now I'm gonna rinse it. Then I'm gonna do the tires with some wheel cleaner and some tire shine. And then I get to the body of the car, where I'm gonna foam it first, rinse it again, and then start clay barring. Then after I do that, foam it again, and then I can clean it. So let's get to it. Okay, so now the tires are done. They're completely clean. I already foamed the car twice, but I haven't soaked it because there was so much dirt on the top. So I did 2 passes of foam, and I cleaned the top with the microfiber towel here. And now I'm about to do a light rinse, and then I'm gonna foam the car again and work my way to the bottom because that's where most of the dirt is, so I don't want to mar the paint. Then I'm already going to, so turn this on. All right, so I'm gonna refill the car, refill this with water, then I'm gonna foam the bottom and then just start cleaning on the way down. So I'm done. I did 2 passes on the bottom and top, and I'm looking at the paint and I'm looking at it. You look at that. It's hard to tell because there's not enough light, but it's damn near perfect. And I'm over here thinking like, why? And then I forgot a year ago I ceramic coated the paint, so even all that dirt was on it, it didn't really penetrate because I used ceramic coating hyper wax, the chemical guys. And wow, this thing really works. I think it lasts a year. And I washed, the last time I washed this car was, I want to say January or February. So exactly like a year from now. So look at the paint. It's like it's like I never missed a wash. It's crazy. Ooh, because I'm filling over it and it's like smooth like a baby's ass. That's crazy. It is crazy. And then coming back to my boy Eric here, he's missing a piece. What piece is he missing? He's missing a thin casing that goes around here so he can apply it to the car. So he can't really do that right now, so he has to move to the next thing. You're moving, well, what next part you gonna do?
We'll install this bracket here,
The subframe. So he finished installing everything. So now he wants me to drive it around and see how it feels, since I've never driven his car. Well, not that much. Dude, I like that feel. It's like it's not like the back is heavy, but it's like it's planted. Like I could. Which way should I go? Let me go left. Car's loud enough that car probably turned around. Sheesh, they're everywhere. I should probably turn around. Because these niggas are here. Backhand is planted as hell, bro. Like it. Guess, but we'll see. Fuck! I drove the wrong way. How do I drive the wrong way and I just end up going to where the cops are going? What the fuck? Why do you think I'm walking? Come on, GPS. What are you acting stupid right now, man? I literally think I'm walking right now.
Go, put them on. Like that. There you go.
All right. So, yep, next day. So this is the next day because he had to. What did he have to do? Went ahead and bought an impact gun. And he was able to add the piece that he wasn't able to yesterday. He got in tune with he got in touch with BMR, and it basically told him that they revised it. They don't need that part anymore. We got good in temperature right now. We're over 174. I went left yesterday and there was a bunch of cops. Let's go left again. Does not sway, and it's just planted, and the squat's not even that crazy. That's wild. Jesus, bro, I need to get this in my car. What the fuck, bro? That's crazy. Just it don't sway, it don't do nothing. That's just crazy. Let's not, no need to do this whole thing. Spun a little bit, but it's just like it stood in place. Like where I was expecting for it to, like a little fishtail a little bit, it didn't. Like it refused to. Well, this exhaust is so fucking loud. He has the Corsa Extremes on here, and he has full headers. I have the Flowmaster. Man, I forgot the name of it. Do I have Flowmasters? It's funny. It's been so long. I forgot. Oh, yeah, I got the Flowmasters Outlaw series with the X catback. I love it. It's not loud, but the sound is amazing. I was going for the clutch.